Yes, those two individuals were charged with conspiracy to import drugs into the country. So I believe they went to court this morning and should be in prison at prison by now.
Sir,
that being the case, are you at liberty then to share with us their names, their nationality, etc.?
They're both Honduran national. I don't have their names on hand, but I'll have the press office send the names out to you.
My final
Yes.
question on that then. What is the status of the other men who are hospitalized? Are they pending discharge and then arraignment?
Yes, they are still hospitalized, and once they are released from hospital, then they'll be charged and arraigned.
so do you believe that those persons picked up elsewhere were the local, or part of the local effort to arrange this illegal landing?
How could they be? They're Honduran nationals. They're not Belizeans. No.
No, what I mean is
And they came into the country at the same time as those who were caught by the plane. And our investigation shows that they were at the landing site, and they were among those who had escaped when the police moved in to intercept the plane and its content.